Landshore Enterprises, LLC, with offices in Fort Lauderdale, Florida and headquartered in Venice, Florida, is a turnkey national design-build environmental company specializing in shoreline erosion control, repair and restoration challenges. Landshore uses non-structural, bioengineering, and biotechnical methods to fulfill the demands of our clients. Retaining walls. Typically constructed of cement, retaining walls are structures used to resist pressure or shut off or control water. Bulkhead. A bulkhead is a partition or reinforced wall designed to separate and prevent movement of water. Sheet piling. Controlling water and/or earth through this erosion prevention method is a support technique where interlocking piles made of steel, wood, or concrete is forced into the ground to form a wall barrier. Landshore Enterprises wishes to extend our warmest thanks to our clients. We deeply appreciate each customer. From our perspective, we feel our relationship is more of a special partnership than just a contract with a client. We work with each client in a way that is both communicative and constructive, and always appreciate comments and feedback to make us better at our job. We have the expertise, resources, technology, and collaborative insight to create designs and solutions that far exceed our clients' expectations. Due to our extensive experience in resolving various erosion problems around the nation, Landshore Enterprises is proud to guarantee complete satisfaction on all projects. Contact us today.